everyone, it's Jean from the Inky Owl Studio. I have finished another traveler's notebook that's going to be in my Etsy shop. It is double-sided cardstock. It's been sewn all the way around. It has a cloth over the spine to keep it nice and stable. It has an elastic closure with a little feather charm to go with the little birds up here. They're so sweet. And inside, this is a very pastel, beautiful spring shades, and every page can be written on. There is nothing that is so dark that you couldn't see your pen. I have altered some paper clips in here, and they got little charms that hang down and dangle. So this is not at all decorated on the inside. It just has these plain sheets ready for you to write or do what you would like to do with them. It has a plastic bag, different types of papers in there. Another one of those cute little charm altered paper clips. And has some vintage music paper. There is a clip envelope. I've not glued the envelope up, in case you want to write on the inside, or if you want to, you can glue it closed. So there's one of those. I think there's two of those inside. That's one of them. And we'll go through. Here's a little owl charm that I like to put in my journals. Beautiful spread page there. It's got tea stain paper. Another one of those altered paper clips. And the other side of the bag. Here is the other envelope. So this has not been decorated. So it's waiting for you to either write inside of it or put your own things in it. Now, even though it hasn't been decorated, I am sending along with this a little ephemera kit that you can use to add your own decorations the way and the places that you want to add them in. So inside there's a little bag with some small ephemera, a little glassine bag, and you can use the bag too once it's empty. So there's some little tiny tags. There's some circles. You can use these for tuck spots, as well as these little tags. There's little tiny pieces of ephemera as well that you can add to a collage or a page. I've got some labels, and you know, I thought maybe one of these labels you could put, you know, on the front if you would like, or anywhere you want to put that label. So there's a glassine bag full of that. And then inside here on these pockets are various journal cards and tags. And tucked up in here are more journal cards. And I think I put these up there just to make it look kind of cute. And then inside are some pockets. And so the pockets have been cut out and scored, and all you have to do just fold them over and glue them in on the page that you want to put them on. So this is what I would call a write and play journal. You have some stuff here that you can play with, and you have lots of places for writing. And so you always have this little ephemera holder as well when you are all finished. I'm also going to include a piece of fabric that matches the fabric on the spine that you could cut up and use in clusters or whatever. So this is just an opportunity for you to have fun with, and this will be listed in my Etsy shop. And I hope you consider subscribing so that you can see what future journals I might be doing or working on. So thanks so much for watching, and we will talk to you later.